today's video we are going to be unboxing the October GlossyBox. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video, like I just said, we are going to be unboxing the October GlossyBox. That is what the box looked like. Okay, interesting. Let's just get it out of here. So here is the box. Very nice indeed. Okay. So this box is £13.50 per month. I do have a link and a code. I'll pop that down below in the information box and the comment box. If you use those, you will get your first box for £10. And the longer you subscribe for, the cheaper it gets in anyway. But yeah, this is a PR box, meaning I got this for free. I have not paid for this one. I do have a monthly subscription with GlossyBox. I normally gift to friends and family and so on. But yeah, this one has been gifted. But I do give my honest opinions and thoughts on the box. Opening it up, this is what it looks like. Oh, it's a bit scrunched up inside. We have the little card here. It has the QR code on. You scan it and it has information on everything in the box. So on there, the name of the edit is Hidden Places. Try and have a sneaky peek as well. Let's open this up. Right, there we go. There is a quick sneak peek for you. Let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I kind of hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. So just scanning the card. And we are working, we are in action, we've got some information. Brilliant. This product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Vegan by Happy Skin, and this is a full-size product and it's an original essence toner. This is one of my favourite toners out there, and it just says a lightweight serum oil that sinks into the skin quickly, aims to brighten dark under eye and smoothen the under eye area with natural extracts. Lighter under eyes will make your face look lifted and youthfully awake. This has an RRP of $34.99. I have about 5 or 6 of these in my drawer. I collect them. These ages ago did the rounds in the beauty boxes, and I had a lovely subscriber from my channel. She had a few of these and she didn't use them and she sent them to me, so again, thank you so much to her. But yeah, I love using this, absolutely love it. I'm currently using one now. This is it, it's just in different packaging. Yeah, so I'm really happy about that. Hopefully you are too. So the second product in the box is this. So this is by the brand b.fresh, and this is a deluxe size. It is Hot Hair Goals Heat Protection Spray. It has a value of £8.99 and it just says achieve hot hair goals with this hair loving blend of botanical extracts and amino acids to help your hair feel stronger, nourished and more protected. A generous spritz before heat styling will help fight pesky flyaways, boost shine and fortify strands against those hot tools. When things get heated, this BFF has your back. Yeah, cool. I love stuff like this. Let's just see what the spray is like and see what it smells like. I've just done that and it's just shot straight over to my window and I've just sprayed my window. Wow. Okay, let's just... Okay, so it doesn't come out as a spritz, it comes out as a squirt, like a water gun. So be careful when you're popping that in your hair, it's going to be very concentrated in one place. So here it is there that I've just caught. Oh my god, that smells lovely. Hell yeah. Oh, yes. Just put that in my hair. Waste not, want not. Okay, yeah, I can't wait to try that out properly. Especially if that scent stays in my hair, I'll be a very happy girl indeed. Really nice. Third item in the box is this. So this is by the brand Pixi. This is a deluxe size product and it is a brow tamer. It has an RRP of £12.99 and it just says the perfect tool for statement brows this October. The Pixi brow tamer is great for whatever brow definition that you're going for. This brow tamer is perfect for applying to fix to your brows all day, to have them looking structured all day, every day. Okay, cool. Yeah, love stuff like this. Yeah, that sounds really cool because my brows definitely need some taming. I've been using some brown tinted brow gel. Oh, that was a mouthful and a half to say. And I've been using like this clear gel on top of that just to give them a bit more structure because they just fly away and just like, if they can look out of place somehow, my eyebrows will. So yeah, really interested in giving that a go. It's gonna have to be powerful stuff for my eyebrows, I tell you. I love Pixi products, so hopefully this is going to be nice. So this is what it looks like, and then we've got the brush there. Yeah, it doesn't smell of anything, that's all right. Okay, cool. Yeah, can't wait to try it. So the fourth product in the box, you're gonna get one of two products. So they are both by the brand Revolution and they are both full-size products. So one of them is a Power Fix Mist, so like a setting spray, and the other one is a Vanish Prime Mist, so yeah, a prime setting spray. Does that make any sense? It's not a setting spray, you know what I mean. But yeah, I didn't get the primer mist, I got the fixing mist, so the setting spray. It has a value of £4.50 and so does the other one if you've got the other one, so I like that, how it's got the same price. With this one it just says fall in love with affordable beauty. The Relove collection is everything you need to create a beautiful look with quality ingredients at an even affordable price. Hold it down with the Relove Mist range. Whether you're looking for a hydrating formula or a super matte finish, we've got you covered. How to use: so you hold the Fix and Mist approximately 10 to 15 centimeters away from your face, spray an X and a T formation for optimal application. Or if you're anything like me, you just go for it, just spray until your face is soaking wet and you've used way too much product. That's the way I like to use it, so yeah, cool. So this is the one I've got. You'll have to let me know which one did you get in your box, comment down below. Fifth product in the box. In the book it just says which mystery products, as in more than one, will you get. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4. Like in the book there's 4 mystery products. Well, it's showing you what it is, but you'll see what you get. That made no sense whatsoever, did it? I know what I'm on about, sort of. So the first product I got as a mystery product is this. So this is by the brand Anatomicals. It's a deluxe size and it's a body cleanser. Rosemary leaf extract. Okay, you can either get the rosemary leaf extract or the aloe vera one. I got the rosemary one. It has a value of £2. So yeah, a rosemary leaf extract to rejuvenate, plus rosemary oil and aloe vera to soothe, along with lemongrass oil to clean and rebalance the skin. Totally selfish, indulgent, in love with yourself products. Yeah, cool. That'll go in my bathroom on my shelf and it will definitely get used. Also kind of the perfect size for traveling as well. Bit of a weird one. I have 2 other products here that actually aren't on the book. So the other mystery product you could get is a deluxe size Baptiste original dry shampoo. Turning the page, there is 2 different highlighters that you can get. You can get one by Downtown Paris and you get one by Electra Beauty. I didn't get them, and then that's the end of the book. It doesn't tell you about any more products. The products I got in mine, the first one I'll show you is this one. So this is by Nivea and it's soft, refreshing, soft moisturizing cream, face, body and hands. So it kind of does a bit of everything, which is great. I like popping stuff like this in my handbag, so if I'm feeling dry at any point during the day while I'm out, it certainly comes in useful. It's sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed. I do like Nivea. I love the smell of Nivea products, so that's a really handy, decent little deluxe size product to get. The next one, it's a sample. So this, I hope if I hold it the right way, this one is by Neutrogena and it's a retinol boost. Oh, I didn't know they did a retinol. It says, yeah, developed with dermatologists. So I do like getting samples, but you obviously are limited. You'll probably get one, possibly if you stretch it, 2 uses out of that. Me, because I like slapping things on, that's just 1 use for me. But yeah, I do like the brand Neutrogena. It's just a shame it's so small. And then the very last thing I have in my box, I think it's just like a free little gift in the box, is this. And I can't eat it, unfortunately. So this is a Cadbury's Dairy Milk Fruitia and Nuttia Trail Mix. A delicious mix of fruits, nuts and Cadbury Dairy Milk buttons. Oh my god, that sounds so good. I like the chocolate, I like the nuts, I don't like the fruit that's in there. Normally the fruit in there is like raisins or something. No thank you, I don't like raisins. Squash flies, that's what I call them. Oh, I really would have liked to have tried that as well, but honestly, yeah, no, I cannot get away with the fruity bit of it. But yeah, my son and my husband will get that. But in any way, I'm calorie counting in any way. I am on a weight loss journey. If anybody is interested, I will link my weight loss series at the top of the screen there. Give it a click and go and check it out. Update every month, and I've just uploaded a video. Was it yesterday or the day before? Hey guys, so this is the October glossy box and the edit is called Hidden Places. What do you think? Personally, I'm actually really quite liking this box. It has some decent little products in there. So turning back around, I've got my favourite toner ever, which is awesome. It's worth £35, so I'm well happy to get that in box. We have a little heat protection product in there, which is great. I love trying different hair products. We have a brow tamer jelly thing, which is cool. That's definitely going to come useful for these things I have on my face. Fix and Mist, a setting spray for your makeup, which is awesome. We have a little body cleanser, shower gel type didgeridoo. Oh god, why can't I just speak like a normal person? Who knows? We have a Nivea soft moisturising cream for face, body, anywhere. And yeah, we have a little sample of Neutrogena retinol boost there, and not forgetting a chocolate treat. But what do you think of the contents of the box? Do you get this box? If you do, comment down below. Did you get anything different in yours than I got in mine? I'll be getting my box I pay for when you get yours, so I wonder if I'll get anything different in there, to be honest. But yeah, I actually really like this box. Again, it's linked down below in the information box and the comment box. Click it, you'll get your first box for a tenner if you're not already subscribed. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.